Everybody, it's Adam
And Jen.
with Lido Key Vacations, and we are here today to show you how to use our smart locks. All these smart locks are at every single one of our properties, and they are operated by a 4-digit code, followed by this check mark right here on the bottom left. So you'll put your 4-digit code in, followed by this check mark when you want to get into the home and when you want to leave and secure the property. It operates just like a key. The code has to be used to unlock and lock the door. Okay, when you do push those buttons in, followed by the check mark, please make sure that you're patient. You'll hear the lock disengage or engage, followed by the keypad lighting up and kind of singing at you with a little chime. That lets you know that the lock is completely disengaged or completely engaged, and then you can go ahead and use the functions of the door. So let's kind of walk through that sequence. So you go ahead and put in your 4-digit code, followed by the key. You can hear the lock go through its disengagement. You saw that the keypad lit up and it chirped at you, and now you can go ahead and open the door. Please do not yank on the door or try to open it too soon. Let it go through that sequence. If you do try to do that while it is disengaging or engaging, you can damage the lock, and that's the last thing that we want to have happen. So when you go ahead and you're ready to leave, please make sure that the door is all the way shut, and then go ahead and put your code in again, followed by the check mark. You can hear the lock engage, you can see the light on the keypad light up, and you can hear it chime at you, letting you know that the lock is secured. You can check the door if you need to. It is secured, and now you can go to the beach and enjoy your time. Thanks so much, guys.